And the other thing, what you must understand is excellence is not by luck. A lot of people say, oh, this guy, he's been lucky, or he's got a lucky break and he's jumped to positions. But you must understand, luck also has to work. And what we don't see is the hard work. You seen that movie, Milkha Singh, Bhag Milkha?
Yes, sir.
When people saw him running in Athens, they said, oh, why can't we run like this? Or if you see a guy running, Bolt running, and when you're sitting on your bed and watching the TV, sitting on the bed, we all feel that if I run, I should also be nearly completing under 11 seconds, if not 9.6. But it's not easy. But what we don't see is what he's gone through to reach that level. How many years, how many hours of sweating he's done to reach that. We all want to reach that level. But the route to that podium is a difficult route to take. It's not easy. In service, what happens, we used to have, as officers, when you came and when we were company commanders, majors, a lot of jawans used to be there. So jawans ko bhi, acha bhi tum ye khodo, abhi tum ye kaam karo, so you're passing orders, ye kaam karo. So at times some of them used to think, ye afsar aa gaya yaar, ye hame hukam pass kar raha hai idhar. So we should tell them, friend, we've done all this ourselves. Each and everything that you are doing has been done by us. Don't think that suddenly you wear stars on your shoulders and you jump up and say, I'm come here to command you. Everything that he's done, we have gone through. Except the only difference was he's not had that education what probably I had. He missed out being from the rural background. That's the only difference. Otherwise, there was no difference. So his thinking, his little bit of reasoning was slightly different than what the officer's thinking was. The other is Salman Khan. Who doesn't want to have body like Hrithik Roshan and Salman Khan? But are you willing to spend 3 hours in the gym every day, getting up early morning and spending, or your mom comes and wakes you up and say, please have tea, I made tea for you, and then you have tea and then you are dreaming. So that's the difference. It's not easy. But people who have the will, they achieve those things. So that is important to understand, that it doesn't happen automatically. It is by sheer hard work, sheer sweat and toil. And what's the secret of success? 2 words. Anybody?
Hard work.
Yeah.
Devotion.
Hard work. Secret of success is only hard work. At times you may have setbacks, that's okay. But if you work hard, there is no way that you will not succeed. You will not meet your aspirations. Now you can't aspire to say, okay, let me become President of India or something like that. But have ambitions, have aspirations which are within those goals which you can see. The other important thing is, Delhi, we all are from Delhi and all this area. Early morning in winters, what's the haze? You see that morning haze in winters? You can't see beyond a certain point. Same is the case with life. You can't see beyond 10 meters and all ahead is all hazy. When you're driving a motorcycle or you're driving a car or whatever you are saying. Same as life. Life you can see probably next 3 months. Ahead is all hazy. As you move ahead in 3 months, you'll be able to see another 3 months. Another 3 months. So that is what is there. And that is what you need to look at and move ahead. If you start looking at 10 years hence, in early part of your life, you won't achieve, you won't reach there. If the CEO of a company is looking at it, let him look at it. He needs to look at it in that manner. But not when we are looking at our personal lives in that manner. So that's the difference it is there.